Niggas always capping. Niggas always capping. Don't live what they rapping. Don't live what they rapping. 150 smashing. 150 smashing. I ain't with the crashing. I ain't with the crashing. Niggas always capping. Niggas always capping. Don't live what they rapping. Don't live what they rapping. 150 smashing. 150 smashing. I ain't with the crashing. I ain't with the crashing. My bitch want a spot and claim she loyal, gotta test it. Yeah, she enjoy her time with me, addicted like it's Netflix. I let her do the work when giving neck, I guess I'm sexist. When we be going rounds, her hair get caught up in my necklace. I got some real bitches I can cuff, but it ain't likely. You gotta hold it down if you deserve to be my wifey. She wanna make a movie, do a film, shout out to Spike Lee. 150 on the dash, I swear a nigga in it light speed. One move off emotion, my girl help me do the right thing. When I come outside, these niggas put they bitch in hiding. When she on the bike, she breathing hard, she love the riding. Baddie said she gay but want the dick, so why you lying? I've been doing work, I'm starting to mark shit off my checklist. Just say what's on my mind, cause it's the truth, you call it reckless. Do burnouts in the foreign, this a G, it's not a Lexus. I don't know why bitches think they more important than my check is. Changing my mentality, I never say I can't. I can't trust a single government, bitch, I'm my own bank. She real quiet when she hot, but she get freaky off the drink. 5-star general on niggas, I'm the highest rank. Be the life for the party, nigga with the plan. How you got the time to hate? Niggas really fans. Another day, another dollar, and a couple bands. We don't do the both sides shit, shoot the middleman. Niggas always capping. Niggas always capping. Don't live what they rapping. Don't live what they rapping. 150 smashing. 150 smashing. I ain't with the crashing. I ain't with the crashing. Niggas always capping. Niggas always capping. Don't live what they rapping. Don't live what they rapping. 150 smashing. 150 smashing. I ain't with the crashing. I ain't with the crashing.
What? Here we are then.
First round pick, I'm my number one. Popping my shit like it's bubblegum. How many came in this clip? It's a lot of them. Nigga messy like they working for the cops or something. You see a track star, how I'm running shit. Tryna run me, can't run this bitch. Snatch what, who chain, run it down real quick. Nigga asked if I'm strapped, bitch, I'm clutching it. Better have life insurance, I'm the general. They all bad bitches, too bad I ain't feeling them. 1, 2, 3 bitches low when I'm pinning them. Catching at a 2 with the clips while I'm filling them. Got the haters mad cause they screw how I'm drilling them. Hit them with a 2-piece combo, finish them. Try to count my pockets, niggas better stop it. Reaching my back, slap his ass with a Benjamin. In that 2-door coupe, and it start with a G. Bombing, no you wasting time, nigga, I got somewhere to be. Niggas follow in my footsteps, I'm a coach, so take a knee. Step out of bounds, this stick go sideways, nigga, guess I'm playing weed. Ride the beat like I'm surfing, I need money, bitch, it's urgent. Don't need hoes because they worthless. Stole your hoe with one on purpose. Any flow got many verses. Buy a purseless, it's my mama. That's a statement, fuck a comma. Presidential flow Obama. Doing good, I could be better. Run over you cause you let her. Put no bitch before my cheddar. Mama do, she want a Tesla. Outsmart these niggas, I'm clever. Drift the whip, I keep her steady. To the top, I hope you ready. Fill her cheeks, now the bitch Sandy. Play with the wood like she Andy. Raw dog and psych, I'm not Randy. Won't put it on unless it's branded. Hope you niggas understand it. Pipe the right, it made a drool. Mind your business is my rule. Can't get money by myself, but not alone. I brought my pick. I'm my number one. Popping my shit like it's bubblegum. How many came